Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Hunting Sniper. Before beginning the video, there is a disclaimer. If you are seeking information on how to legally engage in hunting activities, it is crucial to follow the specific laws and regulations of your country, state, or region, since responsible hunting involves adherence to local laws and ethical hunting practices. So next, let's move on with the video. To sign up for Hunting Sniper game, first, make sure that you've downloaded the Hunting Sniper application on your preferred device and launch it open. Soon after you launch open Hunting Sniper, you need to go through the game tutorial. After completing your game tutorial, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. From the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your player profile button at the top left-hand corner. Before you secure your account, you'll be playing as a guest. To sign up and secure your account, simply tap on the Secure/Recover button at the bottom right. Simply go ahead and choose Sign in with Facebook or Sign in with Apple option. If you want to recover an existing account, tap on Recover Existing Account and follow the prompts. If you want to secure your account with Facebook or Apple, go ahead and choose one of the buttons. In today's video, I'm going to choose the Sign in with Facebook option. Simply tap on it and tap on the Continue button in the pop-up, which will then prompt you to open up Facebook. Launch Open Facebook and then select your Facebook account's profile. If you've not logged into your Facebook account, you'll need to first log in by entering your Facebook account's password and email. After you see this page, tap on Continue, and then once you've connected your Facebook account with Hunting Sniper, tap on the Open button, and you'll then be able to securely log into your account. You'll also receive rewards with the account once you've connected to a secure account. So that is how you can easily log in to Hunting Sniper with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.